Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model S/Y rear hatch alignment problems and outlines commonly documented reasons why the rear hatch may appear misaligned, uneven, or difficult to close properly. This issue has been observed across certain Tesla Model S and Model Y vehicles and can vary by model year, body design, and manufacturing tolerances. Rear hatch alignment is designed to ensure proper sealing, smooth closing operation, and correct engagement with the latch and sensors. When alignment issues occur, the hatch may sit unevenly, require extra force to close, or trigger warning messages indicating the hatch is not fully closed. In some cases, the issue may be visible through uneven panel gaps or abnormal contact with surrounding trim. Verified information indicates that body panel alignment variations, hinge positioning, or latch adjustment tolerances can contribute to this behavior. Minor misalignment may develop over time due to repeated opening and closing, temperature changes affecting body panels, or previous adjustments or repairs. In some cases, the hatch may be within design tolerance but still appear visually uneven. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, vehicle usage, or prior bodywork, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified body shop or Tesla service center should be consulted for vehicle-specific inspection and adjustment. Other documented factors include weather seal compression differences, body flex under load, or sensor calibration sensitivity that can make the hatch appear misaligned even when it is functioning as designed. As a possibility, improper recalibration after repairs or component replacement could also affect perceived alignment, though this is not confirmed for every case. General guidance includes visually inspecting panel gaps, checking for obstruction in the latch area, and scheduling a professional alignment check if the hatch does not close smoothly or consistently. Persistent alignment concerns may require mechanical adjustment rather than software-related intervention. Overall rear hatch alignment concerns can vary depending on vehicle configuration, build variation, and usage conditions. The issue does not indicate the same cause for every vehicle and may differ between model years and generations. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.